Welcome back to another session. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share the link with your fellow students or your fellow friends. Subscription is important because you will keep on receiving notifications whenever I post a new video. So today we are going to look at the wiring circuit diagram of a 2-gang one-way switch controlling 2 lamps, which means each gang will have an independent lamp. So our circuit diagram will look like below. First of all, we need to have a means of isolation as a safety precaution. You should always switch off power supply whenever you are going to do a wiring. So we shall have our mains which will pass through a means of isolation, which is a double pole switch. We shall have our junction box, which has 4 terminals, as earlier said in the previous circuit diagram. And here our mains will come the junction box with its neutral, and we have a 2-gang one-way switch. 2-gang means having 2 poles, each pole with a common and arrow. So from our JB, we come to our first common. Then in order for the second pole to have power, you loop from here, you loop from one common to another common, so that our first lamp, when you put on this one, it will feed our first lamp. Assume this is our first lamp. From there we need a neutral to complete the circuit, which is that one. Then our second pole, which we will put on the second lamp. When you switch on, current will come like this. First the junction box in one of the terminals, then from there goes the second lamp. From there we need a neutral. So that is the circuit diagram of a 2-gang one-way switch controlling 2 lamps. So we shall have our supply here. We have our MCB. This is right, this is neutral. This is 2-gang one-way switch. This is ramp 1, ramp 2, This is our junction box. So how the circuit operates: when you connect to the supply and you switch on the MCB, current will come like this up to this first terminal of the switch. Then you put the loop to the second common of the switch, so that all gangs, the two gangs, have power. So power is here and here. When you switch on this one, the current will flow like this through this terminal of the JB to the ramp. From the ramp, neutral will come back to the source. So for the second ramp, since we also have power at this point, when you switch on, the current will flow like this up to one of the terminals where you connect the second ramp, and the neutral comes back to the supply to complete the circuit. That's how the circuit will operate. So from there, next time we shall look at another circuit. But remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share the link. Always keep safety first. Always disconnect or isolate the power supply whenever you are going to do any wiring. Thank you for watching.